Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 12 trades I did. Today's date is April the 27th and today is the day I am releasing my brand new Super Scalper trading system. Now it does come with built-in audio alerts and a pop-up box here. It'll tell you where to put your stop, where to put your targets. Mind you, this is just all default. The default is 15 and 15. You can take a look at that right here. Super Scalper. 15 profit, 15 stop loss. All you have to do is put the alert on and away it goes. Now for myself, I generally don't worry about these pop-up alerts and whatnot. The only thing I'm interested in is when it, let's say I'm selling, is waiting for it to go like blue to yellow or gold, and then you'll get a pop-up alert here, here, and here. Now I don't bother with the 15 and 15. Once I use this Super Scalper along with my daily trade plan, I like to stay in the trades for more than 15 pips. Using the Super Scalper and along with the TZ indicator down here at the bottom, if you remember, this is the magic indicator, along with the daily trade plan, you're going to have many successful trades. Now this indicator, it really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets on a 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. I teach the secrets to successfully trading the markets. Now this up and down movement, I call that the flow of the market. Now, as I mentioned, I am in front of the computer at 6 a.m. New York time right here, putting together my daily trade plan. We can take a look at that. Here we go. Daily trade plan. There's lots buy and sell trades here. Some of them sometimes I have to wait about an hour or so until the 4 hours lines up. And at that point, I can also take the trade. Like where it says, watch for the charts to agree on the trend direction. There's no preferreds today, but that's okay. Still plenty of trades to choose from. Now we can get into these trades. The first one, just looking at it offhand, this one also did qualify for a great way to trade the way I teach within the training videos. So there's the arrow from my daily trade plan. Remember, daily trade plan, very important. If you are not producing a daily trade plan, or you're not getting a daily trade plan, well, that's a good reason why you're failing. If you want to get your hands on my daily trade plan, all you got to do is get in contact with me. And if you want to learn how to make one of these daily trade plans, I can teach you how to do so. Again, just get in contact with me. Here we go, Euro New Zealand. I knew I wanted to be selling it. Matter of fact, just looking at all the trades today, they were all sells. Took them after 7 and some of them were after 8. And I closed them out after 8. This one was after 9. A couple hours trading, not a big deal. A couple hours work, pretty good returns. And this definitely is a lot more than 300 pips. Would have got the alert to sell on this candle. I took the trade here. I knew I was going to get some pips. Didn't know for sure how many, but it looks like it's about 8 pips, and those 8 pips paid out $524. Okay, now we can look at the next trade, Euro Aussie, another one I sold. There's the arrow. Did have an alert over here. Once you scroll down far enough, you'll see it. There it is there, Euro Aussie, around 7:30. That's about the time I took it. Got the alert to sell. Let's see where I did get in. There was the alert to sell. told me to sell, so that's what I did. Keep in mind I'm going in the direction also of the higher time frames and my daily trade plan. Looks like I ended up with 14 pips, and those 14 pips on the Euro Aussie paid $926. Let's move on to the next trade, Pound CAD. Now this one did have some mixed signals on the daily trade plan. This is why it's very important. Pound CAD, down and up. So that is why I ended up putting in 2 arrows. Just bring this down here a bit so we can catch it. See, find the arrow. It's hidden way at the top up here. So here we go. So right at this point right here, approximately of course, bring this down a bit. So I did have 2 arrows because it was mixed signals. All I was doing is waiting for a signal either to buy or sell. And there it is there. Let's see. Got in at 811. See where that point is. Here we go. I didn't catch it till way back here, but I knew it was going to come down here and test this bottom. And I was only looking for a few pips anyhow. So let's see. Took the trade there and I closed it out as it was starting to go back up, locking in 15 pips. And those 15 pips paid $1,168. And of course, if I wanted to continue trading, getting a buy signal pretty soon, along with buy signals down here at the bottom. So looks like it's in a range bound on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, now on this Dow Jones, it pays $5 a tick. Let's see where I got in at. There was the sell signal right here. My daily trade plan said to sell. If I would have waited a little bit longer, I could have got more. But remember, when I closed out the trades, I knew I had minimum 200 pips or more. So I closed it out just being happy with 42. And those 42 ticks times 5 times 10 lots paid out $2,150. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, the euro dollar. There's the arrow. I sold it. Got the signal right about here on this candle. Pulled the trigger over here. Not a big deal. I knew it was going to go down. Should be around 25 because it pays $10 a pip. There it is. 25 pips times $10 times 10 lots. That ended up paying out $2,500. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, the euro yen. Another one I sold. Let's see where I got in at. This one was a little bit better timing. Got the alert. Box popped up over here. Took the trade. Went a little bit against me, not a big deal, around 17 pips. And I knew it was going to go down because that's the beginning of the cycle and in the direction of my daily trade plan. Looks like I ended up getting about 41 pips. And those 41 pips paid out $3,281. Okay, moving on to crude oil. It's another one I sold. There, it was a little bit higher up, but there's the arrow. So I sold it. See where I got in at. A little late to the party, but I knew it was going to go. And it went up quite a bit actually, 144. But I was happy at this point in time with 33. Pays $10 a pip, so 33 times 10 times 10 lots. Well, that's why you see it paying out $3,300. Moving on to the next trade, the euro CAD. With price movement, the arrow ended up going higher up, but there it is. Wanted to be selling it. Let's see where I did get in at. Not too far after the signal. And there's the cursor where I closed it out at. Looks like 43 pips. And those 43 pips paid out $3,349. Okay, let's move on to the next trade. Pound dollar. Now you know why I do more than 1 or 2 trades at a time, because if I would have done just the top 2 here, I would have been sitting around for several hours for very little. You do more trades, you get paid more pips, ticks, and money. But you really truly need some kind of a trading plan so that you can get all the trades going in the right direction. Pound dollar. There's the arrow way up there. See where I got in at? Now in this situation I jumped the gun a little bit because I had my reasons for getting in, plus sell signals down at the bottom. And so I pulled the trigger there. Pound dollar, it pays $10 a pip, so it should be 44. And there it is there. 44 pips times 10 times 10 lots paid out $4,400. Trading is easy and a lot of fun using my Super Scalper trading system along with my daily trade plan. Let's see now. Russell. It's over here. Okay, there's the arrow. I knew I wanted to be selling. Drag and drop this up. See where I got in at. Okay, here we go. Took the trade at this cursor. And I close it out just being happy. Let's see, Russell. 49. Actually, it does have to be 49 because it pays $10 a pip times 10 lots. That's why you see those 49 ticks paid $4,900. Remember, every one of these trades, there was a pop-up alert, audio sound, telling me to take the trade. NASDAQ, let's see. Arrow is a little bit further up. I just brought it down. Right at this point, right here, would have got a sell signal. Let's see now. Got in a little bit late, not a big deal. I knew it was going to come down to this area. And that's all I was looking for, just a few pips. It should be around 25, let's see. There it is there, close enough. Should be 25.6 actually. But anyhow, we'll go with 25 ticks times $20. Remember, it pays $20 for each tick. And those 25 ticks ended up paying $5,060. Okay, let's move on to the S&P 500. Last trade. Here we go. See where I got in at. There's the arrow. After price starts moving, this is the effect that you get. The arrow goes further up. Let's see now. Right about there would have been a sell signal. Get in the trade. Does pay $5 a pip. And let's see what that worked out to. I used a calculator and I took the money divided by 5 and it came to 142. Let's see if I can get 142 on here. There it is, I found it. It's 142. So another great day of trading using my brand new Super Scalper trading system. I knew it was going to be well over 300, but after adding up all the pips and ticks, that turned out to be 478 pips and ticks. And those 478 pips paid $38,685. So if your system is not producing like my Super Scalper system, I suggest you get your hands on it. And to get more information, all you have to do is look right below this video and you'll see this write-up. Super Scalper system, I do charge $250 for it. I teach you secrets to successfully trading the markets. Now my Super Scalper system has over 3 gigabytes of training and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Included are 5 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. I threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. This is just all bonus stuff here with a lot of education, and this educational material should help you find success at trading the markets. Now there's a lot of ways to trade and I do teach a lot of different ways. That's why there's 22 training videos that I produced. The other systems, they were about 20 minutes long. These ones, I bumped up the time up to 30 minutes approximately on each one. And I show many tips and tricks in each and every video. which is very important for you to learn. Now, you can put the video on pause, running short of time. Check out everything here. If you have any questions at all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Now, if you live too far, simple again, just send me an email. Here's my email address. Remember, there's an underscore right here. Now, I do prefer Skype. All you got to do is click on this link and we'll have Skype connection. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session, answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks. Keep in mind that I do all of this with no obligation to you. Now, if you click on this link right here, you'll see 40 screenshots of all the systems I've been building over the years. So, just about time to wrap up this video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, hopefully it'll be tomorrow, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.